Hey, what's up guys? I'm Alex with the Lexus Eastern area, and today I'm going to show you how to pair your Bluetooth to a Lexus interface vehicle. So first thing that we're going to want to do is pull out our phone as well as have our vehicle turned on. We're going to go to our settings and then we're going to select Bluetooth. From there, on our vehicle, we're then going to go to our settings as well. We're going to select Bluetooth and devices, and then we're going to select search for devices. So I'm not going to go on my phone, I'm going to turn my Bluetooth on, and there's our Lexus RX at the bottom here, so I'm going to select that. And then you're going to get your code. So I'm going to pair my vehicle to my phone here. Give it a moment. I'm going to allow my contacts to sync, and then we should be pretty good to go. So we can see on my phone here that it's connected. I'm going to select use for CarPlay. We're going to set this phone as the primary device and enable CarPlay on our screen as well. And then from there we should be good to go. So I'm going to put my phone away here. I'm going to give the car a minute to catch up. And then we should see our Bluetooth get added to the vehicle and our Apple CarPlay should pull up right away.